Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Anya. So today what we have learned, we will learn. So firstly take out New Gems English Reader book. The cover front page is this. Open this book and the page number was page number 59. Okay. The chapter was chapter number 7, a subscribe stream, and the chapters I was uploaded. So you see the chapter number 2, 5 and all the chapters I uploaded in English. So you have see in the description box. So a subscribe stream. A subscribe stream is a story on a subscribe. What mean of subscribe? A person who copies and books, who copy books and copies. Okay, so who copy that things. So a subscribe. One day, what was happened? He see a dream, and that he see that he was borrow 100 gold of coins. So this is the story on subscribe stream. So now we'll start the story. There was once a poor subscribe in city of Agra who copied other people's writings and books. Means a subscribe, I say the meaning of the subscribe. So there was a subscribe who was very poor, means garib, like that. Poor subscribe who live in Agra, who live in Agra in UP state, okay, Agra, who copy writing and books. So this is okay. He earned barely enough to support his family. He earned very low. His payment is very low. So he do not earn very earn means kamai, okay. So he do not earn many money. So ये ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं कमा पाता, इसका मतलब ये है, ठीक है, for his family, family, okay. But no matter how difficult it was, but no matter that difficult, he and his wife always managed to feed themselves and their children. So they manage all the things what they have, and they feed his children and her wife, her wife. So they manage everything and they feed खाना देना किसी को, to give someone food. So feed themselves and the children, okay. The subscriber was proud of the fact that he had never borrowed a single paisa. So subscriber was proud, garv, okay, proud of that he had never borrowed a single paisa. He had never borrowed money. So he had a proud on it. Okay, we must never fall into the hands of moneylender. So, he said that he had never fall into the hands of moneylender. Okay, moneylender. He do not give the money to the moneylender. Okay, so. But the subscribe worried so much about his lack of money and the fear of borrowing that the worries even found a place in his dream. So a subscriber was very worried, means attention about a thing. So a subscriber is worried for his, if he borrow the money, how he can give, how he can return the money. So he was very worried. So one day when he was sleeping, he see a dream, okay. His worry was found in his dream. One night he dreamt that he had borrowed 100 gold coins for the moneylender. So one day in his dream he see that he had taken 100 gold of coin by the moneylender, okay. So he woke up in terror. He woke up like a fear. He woke up with a fear. So thinking thinking. One 100 gold coins, he sat. Na? 100 means 100 gold coins are very important. How could I ever repay such a large sum? So he thinking that how he can pay this sum. Okay, because the 100 gold coins is too much, na. So still trembling for his nightmare. So डरना like डरने लगा वो nightmare से, ठीक है, रात से. He woke up his wife and told her about it. So he said all about his dream to his wife. Okay, then they talked quickly for a while and soon the subscriber felt better. After saying to his wife, so after saying he felt better, the next day, as the subscribed wife drew water from the well at the end of the street on which they lived. So in the next day after the dream, a subscribed wife go to take the water from the well. Okay, so at the ant street, okay, at the ant street on which they lived, where they lived at the ant street. Okay, so she told her friends of her husband's dream. She said that dream about her husband's dream to her friends. Okay, so imagine, she exclaimed, he dreamed that we had borrowed not one or two but 100 gold coin from the moneylender. He said that in my husband's dream he don't borrow one or two gold coins but 100 gold coins by the moneylender. Her friends laughed with her and her friends laughed. No, a few of them thought it was a very good story and repeated it to their husbands when they got home. So when they got home, they repeated the story of her husband. Okay, the story spread, and a few days later, after few days, the story was spread. Spread means fell jana. Okay, so spread the story. After few days, it reached the moneylender ears. So the story goes to the moneylender, and he hear the story. He laughed when he heard it, but his eyes began to glitter greatly.